Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix black and white screen on Realme 16 Pro 5G. So let's start. So you can see my Realme 16 Pro 5G screen is black and white, you can see. So to fix it, just open your settings app and then scroll down to digital well-being and parental controls and then tap on it and then scroll down to bedtime mode, this option. So we have to turn it off. So currently it's turned on. So to turn it off, just tap on it and then tap on turn off for now, this button. Let me tap on it and it's now turned off. And also guys, make sure in bedtime routine you select none, this option. Okay, and now you can see guys, it's now fixed. Okay, you can see. So that's it. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.